Brinjal fry. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. For this recipe, I am using 200 grams brinjal. I have cut them in half centimeter slices and kept them in a bowl of water. Now remove them on a dry plate. Now add salt, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon asafoetida or hing, and half teaspoon turmeric. Mix well and coat all the slices evenly. You can add few drops of water if it feels very dry. Set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, coat the marinated slices with fine semolina. Shallow fry on low flame. Use a non-stick pan for this recipe. Use less oil so that the semolina coating doesn't fall off. Flip and cook on both sides until golden brown. If you use a non-stick pan, less oil is required. You can check with a toothpick or with the edge of a knife. If they are soft, they are cooked. You can remove them on an absorbent paper. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Serve as a side dish or enjoy as a snack.